Dígad is Mishi Siobhain Grogan agus múlimse in Gaelcholáiste Chill Dara. My name is Siobhain Grogan and I teach in Gaelcholáiste Chill Dara in Naas. We're very proud of our ethos in the school, which is about promoting the Irish language as a living language. And it's very important to us that the students in our school recognise that Irish is an integral part of our culture and a part of who we are as Irish people or people living in Ireland. And I suppose when we look back at how our own language and our own culture, the attempts were made maybe to destroy those over the years. When we look at Palestine and we see the destruction that's going on over there in Gaza, in the West Bank, I suppose to some degree we see a little bit of ourselves in that. And as well as seeing the destruction, the physical destruction of schools and hospitals, like places of education and learning, places of healing, places of faith, as well as seeing all of those, we're seeing the attempted destruction of culture. And we see the importance, because language and culture is a way of thinking, a way of living. It's what differentiates people from each other, and yet it brings us together in a celebration of our differences. And one of the projects that we've been involved with is Uisce for Gaza. And we chose the name Uisce for Gaza. Uisce is the Irish word for water, but it immediately identifies it as being an Irish-led project. And interestingly, a group just very, very recently, a group of Irish people in France organised a fundraiser and they called it Uisce pour Gaza. So 3 words, and instantly we recognise Irish, French, and it's for Gaza. So language is it has a hugely powerful way of instantly identifying us as something linked to our culture. So one of the projects, as well as Uisce for Gaza, which is a wide team of people generally based in Kildare, but obviously the hard work is being done on the ground in Gaza, of delivering clean water to people who don't have water. We've also tried to bring on board locally in our area the idea of languages, promoting languages through languages. So for example, last year during Seachtain na Gaeilge, we ran an Arabic class through Irish. And we also ran an Irish language class through Arabic. And next year we hope to run Irish language classes through Spanish, through French, through Japanese. Just a taster class, simple phrases. And some of our students here in Gaelcholáiste Chill Dara took part in last year's, a few months ago, the workshop of learning some Arabic phrases through Irish. And they're going to share some of those with us now.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Dígad.
Días maragut.
Kayfani. Ana Maher. Wa anti. Ana Bikair. Alhamdulillah. Gonna start it? Tá mé bama. Agus tí féin? Tá mé bama buig sa dia.
Ismi Hannah. Wa 80.
Ismi Saoirse.
Hannah is Dom. Agus tí féin?
Saoirse is Dom.
If you'd like to show solidarity with the Palestinians this Christmas, you might consider contributing to Uisce for Gaza. We're on iDonate, we're Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. If you'd like to see how we have delivered 5 million litres of water since August 2024. A full truck of water, 4,500 litres, costs €280, but you can contribute any amount. Every litre of water helps somebody who needs it. This Christmas, please think of our friends and colleagues in Gaza. Shukran.
Track 1053, Gaeilge on Siobhain Gaelcholáiste Chill Dara. Thank you for sponsoring this water track. Thank you, Uisce for Gaza. We are delivering water in the beach camp in Gaza.